y'all, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel, Serenity Fashion, whatever you want to call me. But anyway, so I was just looking at my channel today and I hit 5K subscribers, and earlier this week or like last week or something, I was saying, wow, so if I hit 5K, like I have to do like some type of special video, a type of shout out or something. And this is it, this is the video. It's honestly, now that I think about it, it's not really, this video I'm making isn't anything like out of the ordinary or anything. I'm just doing a get ready with me video and just acknowledging that I finally made it to 5K subscribers. And I just wanted to thank all of you guys. Your support is so important to me. Like literally, it just means everything to me. And I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the comments, all the likes, the video shares, the suggestions, just all of it. I just really appreciate it so much. And wow, I remember when I was on my goal to hit my first 1,000, even my first 500, like that was crazy. So yeah, just thank you guys so much. But anyway, for this video, I'm getting ready to go to one of my best friends' baby shower. I also have some new things to show you guys. I have a press-on nail nose ring business or whatever. It's kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. Like I'm not really doing as much as I could with that right now, because I have a lot of stuff going on. But I do want to show you some new pieces that I am adding to my collection, just, you know, to get the word out there, show you guys what's up, see if you guys like it or not. So, you know, it's really all about like appealing to my audiences. So yeah, but anyway, I'm kind of running behind because it starts at 12:30 and it's like 11:19, and I don't even know where the place is, and I have to get gas for my car. And yeah, but anyway, I already took a shower, brushed my teeth, washed my face, did all of that. So first what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna just freshen up my face a little bit. I'm not really gonna do, can you put yourself on mute? I'm not really going to do too much to my face today. I'm probably just going to do my eyebrows. I don't even think I'm going to put on lashes. I'll probably put on some mascara. So that's what I'm going to do first. And so the way I'm wearing my hair today is in a turban, head wrap, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of like how I did it in my last video. So in order to like fill in my eyebrows and get the shape that I want, I'm going to tie my hair up the way that it's going to be, so I know how my eyebrows are going to look. Also, very quickly, lock update so you can see what it's looking like. I will now say that these are officially locks. Like, they really don't look like starter locks anymore. They're just still short, but like they're locks. They're locked up. But anyway, I'm gonna put my hair up into a high ponytail, because that's what we're going for today. And I think I'm actually gonna do my edges first so that I can wrap those and let them set a little bit. So what I use for my edges is my edge booster, and then of course my edge brush. So I'm just gonna do those pretty quickly. Well, I'm gonna speed it up. It's probably not gonna be that quick, but I'm running out. Like, I don't know if you can see, but there's barely anything in there, and I need to get some more. But I think this time, instead of using this blue one, I'm gonna use the orange. I don't know what scent, flavor, whatever you want to call it, that one is, but I had used that the other day, and that stuff works very well. I really like it. But yeah, I'm about to speed through this and then get back to you with my eyebrows. Okay, so So I finished up my edges, and then I'm gonna put my scarf on to let them set. And I just realized the first clip I was probably looking a little blurry because I had the manual focus on instead of autofocus. So my bad. Anyway, here's the scarf I'm just gonna put on my head, and then we're going to move on to my eyebrows. Today we're going for a very natural type of look, so I'm really just gonna be filling in just a little bit, just to actually give them some real shape and just fill in the empty spaces. This is what the brows are looking like. They're looking really crazy today, so I don't know if I'm actually gonna like clean them up a little bit or just do them like they are. We'll see. Let me just brush them a little bit to see what we're really working with. Okay, this one's not that bad. I really think it's this one. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna clean this one up a little bit, and then I'll clean this one up too, but it's like not too crazy. Okay, now that we have that done, I'm going to put on my head wrap. I'm not really going to talk through it that much. I did just record a video showing how I do this. So if you're watching this right now and you're like, wait, what is she doing? Just click on that video and it will explain everything that I am doing. And the time right now is 11:45. Okay, all right. Just gonna wrap this around. So the next thing that I'm going to do before like accessorizing and all that is I'm gonna fix my nails. My nails, I don't know if you could really see them, but they're looking all busted and stuff right now, and I don't have time to like actually do them, but I'm just gonna like file them so they're like all round and probably put on a top coat so they're like shiny and nice looking. So I'll be back after I do that. I'm back and I did my nails. Now they're all shiny and round. I didn't put any lotion on yet. I should probably do that. Okay. Better. I low-key feel like I could be a hand model. Okay, so I'm back and I am accessorized. I put on these rings from Shein. They're a little too big. Like, I don't know how people buy rings because I know they come in different sizes. So, like, how does that work? And then I put on these dangly earrings, also from Shein. Yeah, I don't know. I was going to put on a necklace, but now I feel like that would probably be doing too much. And then I also have this anklet that I got also from Shein. But this nose ring, it's not from Shein. It's from Pressed by Serenity. This is what I was talking about when I said that I had some new things to show you. These are the nose rings. I didn't upload them to my website yet, so you guys are probably most likely getting a first look because I just want to see like the durability of these to see like these are gonna like really last, you know, and hold up. But I will show you a few of the other ones, and then of course I'm gonna show you my outfit because I really didn't show you guys the whole outfit. But this is another one. And these are studs. Before I was thinking of doing hoops, I figured it was better to make them studs instead of hoops, which is what I was originally gonna do. And these are my first batch of real nose rings, because usually what I do on my website is faux nose rings. That one. This one. All of them so far, and of course this one. Now quickly I'm just gonna show you the outfit so far. This dress I got from Shein as well. And originally I was gonna pair it up with this bag and these glasses because I was gonna wear white shoes, but the white shoes don't really go with this. So I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear, but you know, I'm running out of time, so I'm obviously gonna find out soon, and then I'll just show you guys in the end. But yeah, so this is the end of the video for this part, and then I'll just show you like the full entire look towards the end. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, and also let me know any other videos that you guys would like to see. And again, thank you guys so much for 5K, and I will definitely be back with more videos.